Okay, so another tip is to subscribe to Mutroni Gaming for the best YouTube videos and other and while you're there, you should probably hit the notification bell. That was a tip, but I'm gonna finish him off. Oh no. Oh gosh. There we go. 1v1ing your friends and playing online public games is a great way to get better, and also it's also a great way for them to get better. Oh, so see, like that, it's better to practice against people like on your friends list and also people online. Another tip is to change your controls. Like I change my controls to reload is triangle, squares to switch mode, and circles to toggle pickaxe. And it's better to do this at like when you join, because it'll be hard getting used to others, like the stuff, you know. So that's it's better to change your controls before you get used to the regulars controls. And I didn't do that, so I did the wrong thing. I made the mistake. If your opponent has the high ground on you and they're shooting at you, the best way to block all the bullets is to place stairs above your head to block the damage. Like that. If your opponent has high ground on you and you need to take that high ground back, what you can do is you can do a stair, a floor, and do that up until you're on their level or higher, and then you'll have an easy limb, like there. If the opponent is on the low ground and you have the high ground, don't go down there and try to kill them. It's better to just use the high ground, because they could take the high ground right out of your hands and they could eliminate you. So just eliminate them like that. If your opponent is spraying you through your walls, what you can do is you can go up and then you can take the high ground advantage and get them. Easy elimination. If you don't reset your builds, your opponent can kill you. If you edit, it's a great way to eliminate your opponent like that. See, they're just gone immediately. So editing and resetting is a crucial part of eliminating your enemy. If you want to eliminate the foundation boss, just get a harpoon and harpoon him up, and he'll fall down to his death. And then you got the nice foundation mythic. And how to get the harpoon, there's harpoons over at this location, like fish barrels to get a harpoon. And then you got the foundation mythic very easily. And this this one, and this tip you don't only have to use on the foundation. And like in the future of Fortnite, there will be other bosses that you can use this tip on.